Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com. And today I want to share a quote with you from Craig Groeschel. If you're not subscribed to his podcast, Craig Groeschel Leadership Podcast, go do it now. And he says that it's the small things that no one sees that create the results that everyone wants. Discipline closes the gap between what you want and what you achieve. It's the bridge between who you are and who you want to become. Yes, being disciplined is hard, but the best leaders will always try to choose the pain of discipline over the pain of regret. Based on who you want to be, ask yourself, what discipline do I need to start? So that's just something to think about. If you struggle with discipline, comment below this video and tell us, what discipline do you need to start? And freaking be committed to it and make it happen. So make sure to comment below and then head to the blog She's Making an Impact.com. I've got tons of free resources to help you build your business, and I'll talk to you later.